Okay, so this is the video. Today is January the 8th, 2015. So it's already 2:30 p.m. Eastern time, so I'm done trading for the day. Yeah, not much going on my end today. I get in around, I guess I was counter trend, so I was kind of like fighting hard just for like a few ticks, you know, like. But anyways, still a positive day, so can't complain too much. I just need to learn to go with the trend rather than against it. It make my life a lot easier. But anyways, so I get in around 7:38. I think I got in around 8 today. So we had trend down overnight, then bottoming out pattern, like a trading range with a failed breakout to the downside. So at this point it's looking like it wants to go up. This is a pretty strong leg. So what I'm still I wanna place a trade, and it's too high. I mean, like, so I getting around here, it's too high to really go long, and I'm not comfortable going long here either. We obviously don't have that at this point. We don't have that trend line yet because I figured it might come back down, you know. So I don't go long, but so basically I'm like, okay, let's try to go short. So the reason I went short here at 9 o'clock, it's standard Eastern time, by the way, at 1787 was that measured move. I measured that leg, that rebound. I measured this, and so where the measured move, so I decided it's due for a pullback here. So I get in here. Keeps going a little bit, and then it starts pulling back, and that wasn't quite 10 ticks, which I usually like to take, but the reason I got out here is because that was a really good bar on volume. So this whole thing was a bottoming pattern. I really thought the trend was going to resume. So when it started really hesitating here, I got, plus it was a round number, it was 1780. So I was like, you know, I'm not going to be greedy for 2 ticks. It's not quite the EMA, it's not quite 10 ticks, but it really looks like it doesn't want to stay here, that it wants to rebound. So I just took my 8 ticks here. And sure enough, it did rebound for a while, and it even went past my entry by 12 ticks, and then this, I don't know what this was. There was no news that I was aware of, but looks like news. Anyways, you know, goes down hard, bounces. At this point I put the trend line there, and I think I had it the other way too. Yeah, I had it the other way. I had it there as well, and so here I miss what happened here. I think I was looking to go long. Yeah, no, I wanted to go short here. I was like, okay, I'm going short the EMA. I had my order here. It didn't fill me. Then it starts pulling back, going down, and I was thinking, okay, now this test has happened, so I'm not going to short right away as soon as it touches it. And I guess sure enough I could have. Yeah, no, not quite. I guess I could have if I had shorted here and exited at EMA, but I don't. I'm like, okay, the test has already happened, so I'm going to wait for another resistance to go short. And basically I go short here, which was a break above this by a few ticks, and the top of the line here. And on this trade I take even less ticks, and the reason was that it was still looking, it was an up trade, and I was just kind of like kicking myself for, you know, trading short in an uptrend. So I was really afraid it was going to keep going because it was becoming stronger and stronger. And also the thing I should have done, I should have waited. I've started to realize I should not enter at 09. I should not enter close to round number. I should enter right after them, because my exit being at 10 ticks, it's always gonna, if I enter at 9, it's always going to resist at 01, 02. Whereas if I enter at 12, for example, it's going to go to 02. In this case it didn't, but you know, it's going to go back to that round number and stops at it, and it doesn't always go past it. So I realized that's not I should have entered later here. But anyways, I think I took 5 ticks on that one. No, not even 4 ticks. So yeah, because the EMA was there, it was getting, I was looking at it was going to come and keep going up. And in retrospect, it kind of, bottom kind of fell out of it, but still, it doesn't, when you're here, you know, when you're here and you see the strong move and you're like, damn, why am I short? So then when you have an opportunity to get out, you just take it. So I really can't blame myself for getting out here. I can blame myself somewhat for entering here. I should have either entered later or possibly even not enter at all and enter long here. But anyways, that was it for the day. So not much of a day today. I think it was like 12 ticks, 12 pips. Not bad, but still, again, positive. Can't complain too much, but there's some bad habits that I'm trying to not take here, and I've been doing some stuff like fairly regularly that I don't think is that good. Even though I still haven't had a losing day, it's still I wanna stop doing some of those things I've been doing, like fighting the trend and taking less ticks that I should. Even though here in both instances it was good to take less because it bounced right after I took my profit. Still, the reason is that, the problem is that I shouldn't have been against the trend. That's the original problem. Anyway, so this was it for today, January 8th. I'll be back at it tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, so that's probably going to be, well, I don't know. If I start early enough, it might be an exciting day, but usually Fridays are pretty slow, especially past noon, which I usually stop trading past noon anyways. Alright, that's it.